Hi everyone, I'm host Ian, and today I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite Peranakan dishes, Babi Pongteh, using the new World Kitchen low sugar rice cooker.
Healthier eating made easy. With its unique 3-step cooking process that ensures effective removal of rapidly digested starch, suppressing the rise in blood sugar levels, reducing sugar levels up to 67%. The multi-function control panel allows you to choose various ways to cook your rice. The 6 functions includes quick cook, slow cook, Claypot Rice, Porridge, soup, and reheating. First, let's use the low sugar function on the World Kitchen low sugar rice cooker to cook rice. Next, we will use the slow cook function to do the Babi Pongteh. With the World Kitchen low sugar rice cooker, I can now enjoy my favorite Babi Pongteh with rice and stay healthy at the same time. Get yours today! Available in leading departmental stores in Singapore.